the capacitor is already changed. Now just to inform you, we will put a protection to the motor. We use the float switch to control that if the tank is dry, the pump will not transfer or will not run because the tank is dry. We need to protect. This is a new capacitor inside because it's defective only now. I changed the capacitor because it's running and running and running without water. So now we will use the float switch. There is 3 connection of float switch. One is when the float switch up, the pump should be run or on, normally contact. When the float switch, the floater down, it's normally closed, and the normally open will be, the normally closed will be normally open. Then the normally open will be normally closed. So now we will use the up, or the position of the floater should be up, and it should be normally closed. So when that one go down, the pump will stop. We will control the pump to avoid running without water. So I wiring it. The wire now is there, and this is the socket of this pump. I are plugging here. So the live I will remove to connect to the float switch. Yeah. I hope you see what I will do. Maybe go to. So now this pump is defective capacitor. I buy a new capacitor. Yeah, 12 microfarad, because this pump is new, but the problem is we are out of water right now, so we are just depend on the water delivery. And the capacitor damaged because the water, nobody here. If the tank is dry, no water, the pump is still continuously running because this is transferring pump and giving signal from the top by the float switch. So now let's replace first the capacitor. So as you can see, there we have a tagging here. L and N. So the capacitor, this is the running, connected to neutral, and this is our starting winding. Of the motor.